Yeah.
if you did your version of Let's Chill, it'd be interesting to see that. Oh, this could have been you and stuff, or things like that.
Version of what?
Pardon?
Version of what?
Let's
You said
Chill
if I
by
did my version
Guy.
of what?
Let's Chill,
Oh,
or
let's chill.
yeah, or Goodbye Lover. What if they, but something, because not many people. There's a generation out know kids at work, but not many. But some will know that guy, and then they know the connection, and then but also just linking your voice and seeing your singing style, and seeing the difference between how you would have handled the track compared to Aaron and stuff. But it's just, as I said.
I got teased so many years. So many years, my friends teased me and say, "How the hell would Groove Me sound? Would Groove Me sound if you were stayed in the group?" You know
But
what
have
I
you?
mean?
But
Because me
why
and
don't you?
Aaron think so
Yeah,
differently.
but why didn't you try it and put it out there to see? Let us see what it would have sounded like. Because that's always the challenge. Why don't you try it?
That's interesting. I don't know. My favorite song by them is "I Like." I love that song. Oof, I
Yeah,
like. I
yeah.
love that song.
So I mean, yeah, and but it's stuff that it is for the fun of it, but it's not just for the fun of it. It is a way of just of saying, because you could have been the lead singer guys if things changed differently. So how would you interpret those songs? It would have been
Honestly,
interesting. Yeah.
want to hear something? You want to hear something that's crazy, stupid that I did? One of the stupidest things I've ever done in my career. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, and I tell my students this now: the way to make it is by making the best choices. Timmy, I mean no, Teddy and Aaron got into a fight one time. You know what I mean? They got into an argument one time, and Gene kicked Aaron out the group. I was right there. Teddy looked at me and said, "I'm going to talk to Gene and see if you can be back in the group." And I said, "No." Yep. I said no. I said no. I want to stay. I want to stay solo. You know what I mean? If I would have said yes, it would. I don't. It probably like I always. Reason why I think about this a lot because if I would have said yes, there wouldn't have been no R. Kelly, no no Jodeci, no. What's that group? There's a meeting in my bedroom. There's a meeting.
Is
I
it
can't
Drew
think of the
Hill?
name. Huh?
Drew Hill?
Not Drew Hill. There's a meeting in my bedroom. What the hell's the name of that song? I can't think of the name of the group, but all of those groups that sounded like Aaron back in the day,
Okay.
none of them probably would have made it. I mean, I can't say they would have made it, but they probably would have been
Yeah.
singing differently because Aaron changed the game. Aaron's a
Yeah.
bad boy. Aaron changed the game.
And the reason why it what didn't surprise me, because I know when I interviewed Mucho from Basic Black, because
Oh,
they
I remember him.
yeah, so they were part of Basic Black, and their lead singer Dizo, Daryl Adam Dizo, who sang um, Nothing But a Party. It's nothing, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
They kept him because they said that he was scheduled to replace Aaron if because Gene was put him on a leash. He said so, but you've sort of almost confirmed that actually there was that sense where Aaron could have been replaced, and if you didn't, if you said no, then they were looking at Diesel as a backup option. So it kind of
that probably was after he was signed.
yeah, yeah. So this
I'm,
was no,
I'm talking
this
about what I'm talking about is right before they got signed.
yeah. So but what I'm also mentioning is the fact that it looked like it was probably ongoing from the photo, because
Oh yeah,
if that was something that they considered then, and it's probably something they considered later on and stuff. But choices are choices. I mean, because Timmy can look back. I mean, he was hurt. He talked about being hurt by the whole thing, but his life, he had a very different life outside of the spotlight compared to what he might have had if he was in the front. But who knows how it would have handled. But we can never revisit time. We can reflect on it to help
yeah.
others to reflect on it, and to hopefully help others make perfect decisions, good, better
I like
decisions.
I like to acknowledge his wife, Timmy's wife, because
Mm.
Timmy's wife stayed with him through all of that. You know what I mean? Because usually when people when people don't make it, don't reach their goals, you know what I mean? They become very hard to live with. You know what I mean? I know he had gone through that. You know what I mean? Fortunately for him, he did have a lot of success too, though. You know what I mean? He's doing well now.
Yeah. So, But anyway,
she stayed with him through all of that.
Yeah, he mentions,
all my girls left me. I don't even know who they are anymore. I only been with my girl 10 years. You know what I mean? The one I got now, it's just 10 years. You know what I mean? Wow. Everybody else, they was out.
Well, Clurel, it's been great, but it would be good, as I mentioned, consider thinking about those, just letting us realize that you still got the vocals, especially when you interpret those songs or any of the songs. It would be good just to really reconnect with you from those days, from the Kids at Work tracks. You could do all of the songs online and even the some of the guys' stuff, and it would be interesting to see, wow, so this is what Groove Me would have sounded like if you were there and stuff. And that's
I might actually do something like that. That's actually a good idea. I might have to take you up on that one.
Yeah. So
let me just tell people, if you want to get in touch with me, please contact me at NYC Vocal C.H.A.R.M School on my Instagram. My email is clurel@yahoo.com. And, you can get in touch with me there. And, anybody who needs to hit me up. I also have a YouTube channel that's doing very well. It's called Vocal C.H.A.R.M School. Vocal C.H.A.R.M School. Hit me up for great advice on, how to get your vocals together, how to be as bad as your boy.
Yeah.
I got you.
Well, yeah, and yeah. So, I mean, if you forward me the details too, so when this goes out, it would be in the description, so people can just, click onto it as well. So, yeah, once it goes out.
No, I got it.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you, man.
Yes.
I watch your stuff all the time, man.
I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Your stuff. Hopefully I can get El Jabaj back.
I'm subscribed to you too.
Oh,
yeah. For a long time. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. No, as I said, it's been a charm. As I said, we love the stories, but I think part of at the end of the day, it's always to give people inspiration, because you've gone through stuff, and it's important that as people watch this, they can think, wow, what I've gone through is tough, but compared to what Clurel's went through, and look where he's at, he's still smiling, still singing, and he's still moving forward. And it's about inspiring the next person who might need that to hear.
Everybody going through pain in your careers, whatever your careers might be, just keep doing what you do. Keep doing what you do until you drop dead. Keep doing it, and you'll get through it. Trust me. Keep doing it. Take care of yourself, too. Take care of yourself. Don't get all fat.
Yeah. Well, hopefully Bobby Brown will hear from this as well and say, yeah, let me get Clurel in my life so he can help me get back into my, with my.
Tell your boy L to hit me up. I got some heat for him.
Okay. Will do. Well, Clurel, it's been great. Yeah, if I hear from you that Teddy says no problem, then that will be an amazing thing, because he's the.
Yeah, I'm going to definitely hit him up. The only setback is I know he's getting ready to go on tour with New Edition. So, but who knows? Maybe he'll have time, or maybe he'll do it after the New Edition tour. But I'm gonna hit him up. I try to get them backstage passes. I couldn't get the backstage passes because it's not his tour. It's New Edition's tour, and I'm not in touch with them anymore. So, but damn, Teddy just he'll hit me with the backstage passes, like quickness. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
it is what it is. I'll have to pay to go and be in the audience like a fan and shit.
Yeah. But as I said, but who knows? How doors may open and stuff. So for yourself going forward, so you've got your own plans to continue moving forward and stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm about to get that money.
Yeah. All right, it's been great.
All right, man. I'll talk to you soon.
Take care.
Thanks again.
Bye. Hey, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But also check out our membership, which is a good way of getting some exclusive videos and actually long videos from day one. But thanks again for watching. Look forward to seeing you again. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But also check out our membership, which is a good way of getting some exclusive videos and actually long videos from day one. But thanks again for watching. Look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.